Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces, in this reading I am going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them. Okay, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. Okay. So let's start the reading for Pisces. So far we have the Star card. Okay, 8 of Pentacles with us, 10 of Cups, 10 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. Okay. So Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this 10 of Cups. Okay, with this Knight of Cups in reverse. Okay, some of you could be dealing with another Pisces with this Hanged Man. Some of you could be dealing with Aquarius with this Star card. We have Capricorn in this reading as well, so some of you could be dealing with Aquarius also with this Devil card. We have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign in this reading with this 8 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles, and some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 10 of Wands. So Pisces, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards them. This is going to be your mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential. Now let's see what your partner feels about you. Pisces, your person is seeing you as someone who has been through a lot in life. Okay, with this Star card. Okay, this is the time you are healing your heart and mind and soul. They feel that you were like so confused in life in past. Okay, now you are getting some clarity in life that what actually is your goal in life with the Star card. You are healing your heart, you are healing your mind. Okay, maybe in past you have several proposal with you in terms of love and relationship, but now they feel that it's you are going to choose them. Okay, with the Star card. Pisces, your person also feels that you are working really hard towards something. Okay, you want to get something in life, so they are seeing you as someone who is being really hard working to get towards something. Maybe you want to earn a lot of money, maybe you want to settle down in life. Okay, maybe you want to move to some other country, some other place. Okay, that's why you are working really hard. Okay, towards your particular goal. And plus your person also feels about you with this 10 of Pentacles that Pisces, that it's you who is going to be their best life partner. Okay, they see you as the best life partner in you. They see a happy family with you. They see they want to grow old with you, they want to have family with you, they want to have kids with you, they want to have the most beautiful time of life with you. Okay, so these are your partner's energies towards you, Pisces. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. Pisces, you feel that your person is like overburdening themselves about something. Maybe it is their negative emotions, maybe they are working really hard towards something, they are depressed, they are tired. Okay, and I feel that this is their old karmas. Okay, which they are which they are holding. Okay, right now, or past life karmas. It could it could also happen that it is their past life karmas. Okay, maybe for some of you, you feel that Pisces, your person is working really hard towards something, and they are very depressed and tired. With this Hanged Man, you feel that your person has put this relationship on hold. Okay, maybe they just want to explore some new aspects of their life. They are not willing to take any action towards this relationship. They are just doing nothing in terms of in this relationship. Okay, they are just restoring their energies with this Hanged Man. And you also feel about them, Pisces, with this 9 of Pentacles, that They are somebody who is very self-sufficient, who has a lot of things in their life. They are independent, they do not rely on anybody else. Okay, they have all the material things with them, they have everything in life, but you also feel that there is something which is missing. Something is there which is missing from their life, because this person, although this lady is independent, okay, but she is not happy. She is not happy, she is not happy, not happy at all. So you know that this thing that they have, even though they have a lot of things in their life, they have best to best material things, and material things they must have got, they must have a wonderful job, they must have good finances, but at the end of the day they are really alone. Deep from deep in their heart they are alone, they are sad, they are tired. Okay. Okay, so these are your energies towards your partner, Pisces. Now let's see what is going to be the mutual energy. The Devil card is saying to me that both of you guys are, really obsessed about something in life. It's you who is working towards your finances, career goals, okay, and it's them who is really obsessed about their own energies. Okay, they can free themselves with these energies, but they are not doing it. Even you also can take a break from these this hard work or from this daily routine, but you are not doing it. So both of you are obsessed with something. Okay, both of you are obsessed with your own life, both of you are obsessed with your finances, career goals. Okay, and you guys are not talking to each other in terms of this relationship. This is the time you feel that now it is the time for me to prove something to the world. Okay, now is the time for me to earn as much as I can. So both of you are being money minded, both of you are being very obsessed. Okay, and the future potential of this reading is Knight of Cups. So I'm not seeing any offer, I'm not seeing any communication, I'm not seeing any proposal in this reading or in this relationship for you, Pisces. So I think that your person is still in this Hanged Man energy. They are into their own energy. I feel that they wanted to come towards you, but something has happened with them and they just stopped there, and they are feeling now, no, this is not the time, right time to talk to you. Okay, so that was the reading for Pisces. Pisces people, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.